So I got lots of projects now. Just picked up this truck. I'll show you some more. It's a 98 Chevy half-ton four-wheel drive, 5.7. Overall, body's in okay shape. Paint's bubbling. Down the bottom, it's 8 out. But supposedly it runs, no issues, except for the starter bolts. They're busted out. The truck was picked up. It was like an insurance claim, and basically the guy has had it for a couple weeks, and he's been driving around. But the starter's brand new, and the bolts that hold it in, one's sitting in the starter, and the other one's gone, but not the entire bolt is sitting in the starter. It's broke off from the block. So there at the top of the picture, you can see that hole, and you should be able to see clear through it, but you can't, because about half an inch into it is the rest of the bolt for the starter. And the other one is right there on the left. It's broke off. It's not quite as deep. Still not going to be fun. But you can see the starter is really clean. It does look brand new. Do not install starter bolts using an impact gun. If you think you need to use an impact gun to install starter bolts, go find somebody that knows how to install the starter. So the red truck, like I said, needs starter, and I noticed the sway bar link is busted, and the CV boot is ripped. So I'll zip tie that and I'll drive it till it makes noise. Also, the tires are pretty much done. So, and also on this truck, I discovered the fuel tank. So you get to put a fuel tank on this. I don't like dropping fuel tanks, but I'd rather drop a fuel tank on this than on like a Honda Accord where you have to remove the whole rear subframe. Okay, since them bolts are broke off in there, it's not a very big opening. I got a meg water and I could weld another bolt on there, but I want to try something different. I think I can get the cut wheel up in there and cut a slot, and then try to use a flathead screwdriver to thread those bolts out. I think that's going to be pretty slick if I get that to work. Turn. The groove needs to be a little bit deeper. sprayed a shitload of PB Blaster in there earlier. Yeah. Look at that bad boy come out there. Sorry, gonna regret touching that. Whoop. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. One more to go. Yeah, I got that one out too, so there's both of them. The second one, it's not quite centered. I'll cut the slip. So pinch me against the side a little more. It don't matter if you get it out. Alright, I had to take this starter out because I just discovered, and I got it out finally. Somebody had JB welded this broke off bolt into this new starter. There's a piece of the JB weld left over. If you JB weld a broken bolt into something like a starter, you're not a mechanic. You're worthless. Why would you do that? 2 bolts hold the starter in and you JB welded one of them and it's not doing anything. You are an idiot and shouldn't be allowed to change oil, put wheels on. I don't even think they should give you keys to a vehicle. You're an idiot. Whoever did that. Alright. So the new starter's bolted in. Alright. First start. New start. Well, replaced a busted ground strap and shot some brake clean down the intake and it fired off.